Today is going to be unboxing of a handbag from Chanel 24A collection, Meteor Dark. Please guys, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video, and today I'm gonna unbox with you a handbag that I got from Meteor Dark collection. I did already one unboxing video from Meteor Dark collection. I'm gonna link it somewhere over here. Please guys, watch it. It was a fun handbag to unbox. That handbag wasn't for me, it was for my daughter, but I show, like, you know, what kind of things comes right now with the Chanel general purchase of the handbag, because they totally changed the booklet with the button close. At least I haven't got any of those before. But I have to admit that my last shopping of the handbag was like 2+ years ago from Chanel. Okay, let's do it again. Just kind of, oh, this is my receipt. It's going to be most likely my snapshot, so I should smile and stay still. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna share price as well. This is more for informational purposes, but I think this handbag is actually available on the website, so it wouldn't be any surprise, because the previous ones that I unboxed, it wasn't available on the website to even reference the price. So let's unbox. I'm gonna be trying to do very carefully. I always feel like so bad of ripping off the Chanel tissue because it's so pretty and so precious. Anyway, so let me just kind of pack everything back and I will show you the handbag. And also guys, I want you to share, if you're from Canada, most likely you'll experience the same things. I know that in Europe, and it might be similar but not quite as Canada, I actually have to get to a point. I noticed in Canada nowadays, I mean, before they were always cutting off tags, but nowadays they even don't give you felts or anything. I almost feel like a second-hand citizen. So anyway, that's the packaging. So pretty, completely hidden. So let me just kind of, so here I have to kind of rip it off because it's so snug. And ta-da! So let me just put it away. This is new, I think the proper name is Chanel Wavy CC Hobo. There you go guys, let me bring it closer to the camera. So it's made of shiny calfskin, very durable. It has almost like a gold, like aged gold hardware, and this construction of the handbag slightly different comparing to the very original that it was. I think it came in 23C, and there is a Chanel LV channel. I'm gonna also link her original video because I think she's the only one who is doing kind of proper review of this handbag. And let me show you inside. So that's how it looks like inside. So inside there is a slip pocket and it's made of leather, and the other interior is just the fabric. At the back there is also a back pocket, and I really love these options. As I said, you can put your parking tickets, metro card, etc., or even your work card, like, you know, if you have to use it. Or I would say if you travel, it could be really good options of putting some cash, snap it like that because it's closer to the body. And this is the front pocket, and inside the front pocket, that's where they put that kind of, what do you call that, code of the handbag. Everywhere it says Chanel on those snap buttons. on top also it says, no, just a snap button. At the front it also says Chanel right there. Really cute. On all the grommets also it says Chanel, and it has this very cute charm. The difference between the original one and these designs, that in this design you can actually move the chain, because the original one kind of like, you know, just kind of like that, you know, it was kind of tie up right there, and there was only one option of wearing the handbag. With this design you can actually wear it as a shoulders, but I'm gonna do my modeling shots, you will see. Obviously you can do the crossbody and wear different way. I think I saw even somebody who is like, I would say petite enough, they're making even crossbody as a double chain. Maybe I actually should get the measuring tape and measure what is the drop. Just give me 1 second, because I remember before I get this handbag I actually even contacted Chanel LV channel, and I asked her if she's still wearing this handbag and if she still loves it, and she says yes, I still wear this handbag and I still love it. What I like also about this handbag, see how it is like when it's kind of just kind of like if I would do the crossbody, this charm stays like perfectly at the front of the bag, so it just gives like some kind of extra character. So let me see what is the drop. Just give me 1 second. So the drop up to this like, you know, first this first grommets, it's about, I would say 21 inch, but if I'm gonna measure to this lowest part, it's about 23 inches. So if I'm gonna do double, then the drop to the grommets will be about 12 inches, and to this lower part about 13 inches. Really cute. I want to try one thing out right now. I remember I did this with my what it's called, Chanel Gabrielle, you know, when you can kind of like wear it almost like that, and it looks like I can do also with this bag as well, just kind of across. I'm gonna also include my modeling shots, and you're gonna see this handbag a little bit closer. One of the distinctive features of this handbag is that it looks like it has like quite a structured shape, but it's actually fairly soft, and at the first glance it's almost maybe looking like a patent leather, but it's not patent leather, because patent leather usually very kind of stiff and harsh. This is very soft leather. As I said, it's a calfskin, and it has kind of like a shiny effect of the leather. So let me try some of my items inside to show you what fits. Or maybe I should actually give you dimensions, since I'm at it, of the actual handbag. So let me see. So it's about 7.5, in this 7.5. So over here it's about 5 inches, and in depth it's about 2 inches, maybe 2.25. So I got some of my items, and I have my cute little doggy coming to me. Hi Clara, do you want to help me with recording my video? Hey, do you want to say hello to everybody? Just come and say hello to everybody. Come to mama. Okay. Oh, you're getting heavy. Go and say hello. Okay. So let me try some of the items. So what I'm gonna do, say I'm gonna use my Hermes Duo Calvi. I'm gonna put my earpods, and let's see if I can actually put it, yeah. So that's how it looks like. Where's my phone? I'm gonna put my phone. So my phone is iPhone 12 with the case. Goes in absolutely perfectly. Say I wanna put also my car key. Have to kind of rearrange a little bit. Can put also lipstick on top, but in this case I have to remove my earphones, or maybe just putting them kind of like up front in this front pocket, or putting maybe my keys in the front pocket. And then I can easily also put my glasses on top or something. So that's how it looks like. Just kind of like that. Maybe even it's better to put the lipstick on the side. See, the good things about this handbag, it's kind of almost has this stretchy capacity per se. You know, you can easily stretch this bag, and that's how it looks like. Really cute, absolutely the cutest things ever. I think it's really cute and smart looking handbag. And on top of everything, why I decided to go for this handbag, it's totally new. I don't have anything in my collection that even remotely looks like this handbag, because everything that I have in my collection is mostly kind of like just a regular classic looking flap, or close to classic looking flap. This is totally different, but it's fairly small handbag, let me tell you. So the capacity is not as big. So let's say I can maybe substitute the Calvi with the Chanel Zippy. And what if I gonna just put the key without anything? That would be easier, I would say. It's a small, guys. It's a small, so you kind of have to wiggle. So, oops. So that's how it looks. Chanel wallet, lipstick, car keys, phone, and I put my earphones at the front pocket. So let me see if I can actually close it. No, I cannot. It just kind of like, or I might, but I have to kind of almost squeeze. Now, if I'm gonna put whatever I have right now, I think if I would have in the state of the actual wallet, just a card holder, it would be better, but just like that. I think it's very cute. So let me know, guys, what do you think? Do you think it's good buy, good options? And as I said, I really like that I have nothing like that in my collection, because mostly everything that I have, it's as I said, it's kind of regular shapes. This is something totally different. So I guess that's it for today, and thank you very much, guys, for watching. Please put your comments. What do you think of this handbag? Don't forget to like, share, and possibly subscribe. And if you're an existing subscriber, thank you so very much. So, and that's how it looks like.